Hey, welcome to a wonderful Wednesday. So I just want to go over our schedule today because I know it's a little bit different than usual. So today we've got our morning meeting, and then we're going to go straight into some social studies together. So far we've learned about the three branches of government and how they have checks and balances on each other. Today we're going to talk about the judicial system and how that works. After that, you are doing on your own time. Remember, Wednesday is a lot of on your own learning. So during your on your own time, you can work on your PE. I put up a board with choices for math today. So you have to choose two choices from the math lesson or from the math board to do for math, but you can choose whichever ones you want. Um, there's a little writing activity where you are writing a first-hand account. And then just read a book or magazine of your choice for 30 minutes. It's probably not going to take you all day, so I put some extra activities you can do in the orange or yellow over on the right. Those are optional. Um, I made a I made a word search with the names of everyone from our class if you want to try that. Otherwise, I mean, it's fall, the leaves are falling. It's a beautiful day if you want to go for a walk in nature and see what types of different leaves or different trees you can find. Lastly, there is an app called Scratch Junior. It's a coding app, so it gets your brain thinking like a computer or thinking like a coder. So if you want to download that and see if you can get Scratch to do a dance or get him to navigate through an obstacle course, that's another activity you could do for today. So I'll see you all at 9:15 for our morning meeting and our social studies.